At the IXL skills for integers, there's 4 of them, and they're all grade 6C. So there's understanding integers, integers on number lines, graph integers on horizontal and vertical number lines, and comparing and ordering integers. They're all pretty straightforward, I think. It's just the idea that integers can go into negatives is what we're trying to realize. So which integer represents this scenario? Adding 5 items to the washing machine. Okay, we're adding 5 items, so it's positive. Which integer represents this scenario? One student moves away to a different can't talk today. To a different school. If one student is moving away, that's a subtraction. Okay, bank account increases by 4. All right. The next skill to look at is integers on number lines. Okay, similar thing, but more of a visual layout of what the integer is. So type the missing number, -1, 0, then 1. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. -2, -1, oh, -1, 0. Okay, as you move left, you get smaller. As you move right, you get larger. Okay. The next skill to look at is graphing integers on horizontal and vertical number lines. So quite similar, but instead of writing in the number, it's asking me graph -1 on the number line. So -1 is there. Graph 5 on the number line. 5 is there. Okay. If we get a vertical number line, that's what this is, it goes up and down, then the higher you go, it's positive. The lower you go, it gets smaller until 0, and then our integers continue in the negatives. Okay. 1 and -1, so there's -1, there's 1, go. And 3 and -3, so there's -3, there's 3. Just want to get a vertical one. Yeah, there you go. So -4 and 3. So there's 3, positive. 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, there you go. And then finally, 4th skill in this series is compare and order integers. So 0 is less than 2. So 0 is here, 2 is here. 0 is not. 0 is here, 2 is there. 0 is less than 2, right? The ones on the left are less. -4 is less than -2. It's less than. Okay? This is one of those skills that if you're making small mistakes on it, I'd recommend going on your iPad and actually writing right on the screen, right? -5 is around here. It's between -4 and -6, right? -7 is here. Okay, so -5 is greater than, right? Is greater than, it's tough. Is greater than -7. So, is greater than. Great. So these will get harder once you get to smart score of 60, 70, or 80. But the general concept, I think, is quite straightforward. Is 8 greater than or less than -9? It is quite a bit greater than -9. Enjoy.